How to turn off window animation scale on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, we tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Now from here, we scroll down to the drawing section and then tap on Window Animation Scale and then select Off, Animation Off. By selecting Window Animation Scale Off, your phone should perform a lot faster. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. You can see here when I put on animation scale at 10x, then everything will perform slower. So by switching it off, whatever you tap on the screen that require animation, it is now turned off. And everything will happen instantly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.